2 for the 1200 Southeastern service to Faversham via Ramsgate, calling at Sandwich, Ramsgate, Broadstairs, Margate, Birchington-on-Sea, Herne Bay, Whitstable and Faversham. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1200 Southeastern service to Faversham via Ramsgate. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding. I am not pushing the barrier with my camera. Okay, the time now is 1200. Well, 11:59. This is for our 1200 1 Lima 24 Southeastern service from St Pancras International to St Pancras International. This is the outward journey, which is 1 Lima, which is the service which calls at Dover first. And the 73 to running about 30 minutes early. And also there'll be a 2019 video of level crossings on the Medway Valley line. That will be because of Waterbury, roadworks.org. So Waterbury and East Farley are getting upgraded. But we should never know until I go there, or at least UK level crossings go there. Okay, it's 1200. Okay, should be coming from that way. Yep, the signal is up. I'm not putting my on. You can see from this side. Right, here we go, and we got got 395. 004 to Chris Oy. Faversham via Ramsgate. 395 004 to Chris Hoy to Faversham via Ramsgate, then onwards to St Pancras. Thank you very much for watching. Next part at the station.